First time lo life blow me inside lo country blow me pla. Me looking dead body only piling mantap long. Backside lo car. Also in firewood. Also in big copra you me throw me nothing lo backside na carry. Lewa blow me brook. Misawe lewa blow planti Papua New Guinean si brook. Time only sali wampla video blow yang pla pikinini ya me hard lo watching. Lig pikinini only kati mem lo bush knife. There's no something em should make him na mit lo lira blo country mas find him hard lo sleep lo night. Tibiniga desla killing si kamap long tari na only kidnap him more than 20 pla young pla marry. Time he been make him sing out long upside. Expectation blow me awesome. By me walking all this plus something he come up na by come up hurry up. Misa harim sing out long big la brata governor blow enga. Me come inside first time lo this house. Me stop outside yet them sing out long law and order. Me play governors, me play making plant the neck, plant the sing out. Me play ask him lo halibim. No God looks away so I come. Now this la big play heavy come up. Now you me act to some you me kirap no good. Oh how na something come up. Tas all gada sign long me stop in this. Me like give him an example also. Suppose one bla balu si crash. One bla F100 them crash. Hurry up to buy me salim all investigators. All the kind line. Buy me try make him work, find him out, make sure awesome. Next balus by non up crash. Are we taking the same approach now with this many people dead? Are there some actions that you may also government we can put it in place so that you know people blowing at us all. People blow Upper Highlands as well, but all Papua New Guineans can be assured that the next time someone is planning an event like this, we are ready en masse. Lo killing 5, 6, 7, das lakanya, I think we've already gotten used to that. So I'm no more ya. Black Wednesday come up lo Port Mospina, 22 plaman meri indai. That's all I'm no more ya. It's okay. You may wait in up 70 or 80 or how much die antar lo wapana banda now. And now you may skin blow you may kirap. That's not good enough. Leaders, put in 700 million or 800 million or whatever it takes to protect our people. What is so hard about that? Yeah. What is so hard about that? You may line the passing budget, you may stop ya. If we need to send 1,000 troops up there to deal with them and deal with them hard, then why not? Is that not the price we should be willing to pay to protect innocent lives of women and children? We are a government, for goodness sake. Let's act like one. Why are we protecting? Why are we not interested in prosecuting these terrorists with extreme prejudice? Other countries do it. All other countries are working it. Every state reserves the right to the use of force in the protection of its citizens. It is an inherent right of every nation. Why isn't Papua New Guinea using that right?